In this video, I'm going to show you how you can guys install iOS 19 or iOS 26, whatever Apple gonna launch, how you can install those updates. So I'll show you. This method will be available for all the iPhones which are supported with iOS 19. So let's say from iPhone 11, you can update later on series like iPhone 11, 12, 13. iPhone XXR and 10s Max series is not supported. So keep that in mind. So first of all, in order to update your iPhones, first of all, jump to settings in the iPhone, and here we go. So jump to settings and find here software update in general section. Software update section is here. So here right now, Apple haven't released iOS 19 or iOS 26 right now, but right on June 9 or June 10, you will be able to see a software update of iOS 19 either or iOS 26. So in order to see this beta updates, if in your case beta updates section is not available in your iPhone, what you have to do, just simply jump to the iPhone settings, sorry, iPhone Safari browser. Now type here beta Apple. There you go. Head on first website and just click on sign up. And when you signed in with your Apple ID or you verified your face ID, you'll be able to see this website. Click on enroll your iOS device and you're good to go. Now hit on open beta updates and then you will be redirected to your iPhone's settings app, and make sure from off button you have to click on iOS 19 or iOS 26 developer beta. Whether you see iOS 19 or iOS 26, you have to click on developer beta after the June 13 or June 10, whenever Apple gonna release this update. And just go back and you will be able to see developer beta. I'll suggest you don't go with the first beta because it is the very first update Apple gonna release, so it might have bugs or problems into the update, so that can cause data loss of your iPhone. So before you update, just make sure you have enough battery, make sure you have enough space, at least 30 GB on your phone, and your phone's data is backed up, and then you're good to go. Yeah, that was pretty much it. How to install this update. You'll be able to see the latest update in your iPhone. For now, iPhone is totally updated on iOS 18.5. That's why it's not releasing any of that. So that's the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.